The best thing about this new Shot Lab effect is that you can apply it to new and old videos. And you can do customized edits and add extra keyframes to make tiny planets and more. So let's get straight to it and take a look. So grab your selfie stick and your 360 camera and shoot for 30 seconds with the selfie stick extended to around 40 to 50 centimeters. And keep the camera around eye level. Press record and look around standing still, or you can walk, bike, scooter, or use your car. You record for 30 seconds and you don't have to keep the stick in front of you. You can also put it behind you as well to get an over shoulder shot. And for the best results, you want to be in an area where there's a lot of sky all around you. Now select the sky swap in Shot Lab and select the clip you've just shot. Now select your aspect ratio, so the size of your clip. I'm going to select 16:9. And then select 1 to 15 seconds of that clip. The AI will then analyze the clip and then generate a preview file. Once it's generated, you can then either select surround, which does an automatic 360-degree pan all the way around the image, or you can select custom and adjust how high or low the angle is and how much of yourself and the sky is in shot. And this is particularly good if you have a shot at a low angle and your head is out of shot. The disadvantage with custom is once you set it, the angle is fixed, but there is a really easy workaround which I'll talk you through in a minute. You can then select your sky swap effect, and there are lots to choose from. Clouds, ocean, galaxy, magic, bubbles, disco, or even a bit of starry night. You can then adjust the intensity of the effect by sliding on these sliders here to adjust the foreground and the background. The default setting is actually really good though, and all these re-renders take time, so you're better off just leaving it on the default. The really cool thing is, and this is the workaround I mentioned earlier, you can also go to export and continue editing, and then you can add additional keyframes or use viewfinder mode to reframe and do everything that you can do in the story editor, which includes exporting at a higher resolution of 1440p. Tag me on Instagram, EatSleep360, with your sky swap videos. And if you want more information on the 1-inch 360 camera that I was using in this video, then you'll want to watch this video next. My name's Rich, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.